In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix generative fill not working in Adobe Photoshop. If generative fill is showing up as grayed out or not appearing at all, don't worry, I'll walk you through a few quick checks to get it working. First, make sure you've actually selected part of your image. Generative fill only activates when there's a selection. Head to the toolbar on the left and use any selection tool like the rectangular marquee or lasso, then draw a selection over the area you want to modify. Once you've done that, you should see the generative fill option appear, and it should be clickable. If you don't see the bar that hosts those buttons, go to the window menu at the top and enable contextual taskbar. If it's turned off, that entire strip of helpful tools disappears, which can make it seem like generative fill is missing. If you've made a selection and enabled the contextual taskbar and it's still grayed out, that usually points to a connection issue with Adobe's cloud services. Generative fill relies on online processing, so confirm your internet connection is active. If your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is off, turn it back on and wait a few seconds for the connection to stabilize. Then return to Photoshop and try the tool again. Still stuck? Close Photoshop and open the Adobe Creative Cloud app from your Start menu. When it launches, confirm you're signed in to your Adobe account. Being signed out is a common reason the button stays disabled. After you're signed in, click Updates and check that Photoshop is on the latest version. If you see pending updates, click Update and let them complete. Once everything is up to date, relaunch Photoshop and test generative fill again. If none of that helps, the issue may be your firewall blocking Photoshop or Adobe services. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender, and choose Windows Defender Firewall. On the left, click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for both the private and public network settings. Click OK and then try generative fill once more to see if it starts working. And that's it. By confirming a selection, enabling the contextual taskbar, restoring your internet connection, signing in and updating through Creative Cloud, and temporarily disabling the firewall for testing, you should have generative fill up and running. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.